Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, students? Students, Alhamdulillah, we read one by one the Quranic and Arabic alphabets with the sign and also with Arabic accent and the Tajweed pronunciation. Alhamdulillah. So today we have lesson number 8, and just we quickly start the previous read the previous lesson, and then we start the new one. So first of all we start the this chapter, starting of this chapter one by one, and then we read and start the new lesson. Okay. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألف لام ألف لام ألف باء ألف لام ألف لام لام ألف لام حام لام ألف با لام با كاف 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 با كاف با كاف ألف كاف ألف با كاف تا تا كاف ثا با تا ثا نون يا با ألف نون ألف تا ألف يا ألف ثا ألف با سين ياسين نون سين تا سين ثا سين ثا جيم تا حام. Next one is نون خا يا حا با جيم يا ميم با ميم نون ميم تا ميم ثا ميم با يا يا نون يا تا يا ثا يا نون با لام تا نون لام با يا لام يا تا لام ثا ثا لام نون با نون با نون نون تا يا نون يا تا نون ثا ثا نون جيم حام خا حاسا خابا جيم تا تا حاتا يا جيم با با خاتا تا ها باتا يا ها تا ها نون تا ها يا ها با با ها ألف ba, ha, mim, dal, dal, jim, dal. So dear student, this is our previous lessons. Now we start the new one, the new lesson, okay, with the name of Allah, with ta'awuz and tasmiyah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Now student, our new lesson start from here. Khadal. This one, the green one is kha, heavy kha. The sign of heavy kha is one dot at the top of the letter written in half shape. Then dal is written in full shape. So one dot at the top of the letter, and the dal shape is like dal shape is like dal, and one dot at the top of the letter. This is the sign, so we read it zal. So these two letters are joined together, we read it khadal. Next one is ra. Ra is in full shape and in different shape, okay. We already read in previous pages different shape of ra, but is different shape of ra, or this ra is in full shape, okay. So next one is za. Za shape is like ra, but one dot at the top of the letter. This is the sign of za, okay. So we read it za, and za is in full shape. Next one is jim ra. The red one is jim. We read the sign of jim in the previous pages. One dot at the middle of the letter. This is the sign of jim. So this is jim. Jim, the green one, join with jim. This one, the green one, this is ra in full shape. So we read it jim ra. Two letter are joined together. Next one is khaza. This one is heavy kha, one dot at the top of the letter. Then za, black color. Za shape is like ra, one but one dot at the top of the letter. This is the sign of za, you see here. So two letters are here joined together. First one is kha, heavy kha, and then next one is za, okay. Jazakallah. So now we go to the next page. This page is complete. Here again ra, you see this one is ra, but written in different shape, okay. Ra is in full shape, but the shape is different, okay. Next is za. Anywhere you see the ra shape, two different shape of ra. Ra shape is like za shape is like ra, but just one thing is different between ra and za. Ra is empty. Ra has no any dot on the top of the letter, but za has one dot at the top of the letter. This is the difference between ra and za. Okay, mashallah. Next one is this one letter is first one is ya. We read the sign of ra is dead, two dot at the bottom of the letter. This is the sign of ya. So you see here two dot at the bottom of the letter is written in half shape in red color, and the dot is also in red color. It means the dot is ya dot. Two dot at the bottom of the letter, and then ra is in full shape. Two letter are joined together again here. So we read it yara. Next one is taza. Also here ta is in red color. Also the two dot is in red color. So we read the sign of ta is dead. Two dot at the top of the letter. This is the sign of ta. So next one is za. I tell you before in previous pages and in this lesson, the za and ra shape is same, but just different between the ra and za is dead, ra is empty, and za has one dot at the top of the letter. Here you see the shape is like ra, but one dot at the top of the letter, so it's mean this is not ra, this is za. Here again two letter are joined together. First one is ta, because why we read it ta, it is the sign of ta is here. two dot at the top of the letter. So we read it tazam. Next one is seen. This is in original shape and full shape. Okay, next one is sheen. Sheen is like seen, but three dot at the top of the letter. This is the difference between seen and sheen. Seen is empty. Seen has no any dot at the top of the letter, but sheen has three dot on the top of the letter. And the shape of seen and sheen is same. The pronunciation is different. Seen is read by pronounced by like a whistle, like seen, and sheen is like different, a little bit bold and heavy. Sheen. Next one is seen lam. Here the red color is seen, written in half shape, and the black color is lam. Two letter are again here joined together. We read it seen lam. Next one is sheen lam. Sheen is like seen if written in full shape or in half shape. You see here seen is written in half shape, and here sheen is written in half shape, but the difference between is that seen is empty and sheen has three dot at the top of the letter. And then lam is in full shape. Here again two letter are joined together. We read it sheen lam. Next one is صاد. This is صاد. Like the voice is a little bit whistle voice, and pronounced like a little bit lightly. صاد. Okay, written in full shape. And صاد. This one is ضاد, and صاد and ضاد are same in shape, but the pronunciation and the voice is different. And also another thing different between these two letters is swad is empty, swad has no any dot, but dot, this one has a dot on the top of the letter. Okay, we differentiate between these two letters by a dot. Dot has a dot on the top of the letter, and swad is empty. Next one is ta. For the two dot at the top of the letter, the star is light. We read it ta, but this one is so heavy. There is no any dot, but we also, and the shape is also different. Okay, the light ta and the heavy ta. Okay, this is heavy ta. It's like a hammer. Okay, we read it to. Okay, next one. This is okay. This one is the za and za is like same. The shape is same. Here again, this thing is ta and za. Different between these two is the voice is different, and ta is empty. Za has one dot at the top of the letter. This is the difference between these two letters. Next one is ba. Squad is written in half shape, and then ba is in full shape. The sign of ba is one dot at the bottom of the letter. We read two letters are joined together. Here again, we read it squad ba. Tra. This is the heavy tra, and the written in full shape, and also ba. Next one is the one dot at the bottom of the letter. This is the sign of ba. So two letters are joined together here. First one is ta, heavy ta, and the next is ba. We read it ta ba. Next one is god. The god shape is like sword. Here you see, and there, but just different. One thing is different here. God has a dot on the top of the letter, and sword is empty. Okay, jazakallah. So we read it this one the alif, the alif. So this is we stop here the lesson today for today. So inshallah we read the new lesson and the next letter inshallah tomorrow. So this is enough for today. Inshallah, see you tomorrow. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakallah khair.